Welcome to Cardonex. In this video we will discuss different blockchain networks and how do they differ from Cardano. There are three types of blockchains: public, private, and hybrid. We will be discussing public blockchains in this video. We have already gone through how Bitcoin works, but this ecosystem has expanded to include a lot more. At this point of time there are more than 10,000 cryptocurrencies in existence on different public blockchains. In decentralized public ecosystems, a Layer 1 network refers to a blockchain, while a Layer 2 protocol is a third-party integration that can be used in conjunction with a Layer 1 blockchain. We'll go through a few Layer 1 smart contracts platform that have shown to be amongst the top over the course of time. Let's start by Ethereum. Ethereum was conceived in 2013 by programmer Vitalik Buterin, while Bitcoin was created as an alternative to national currencies and thus aspires to be a medium of exchange and a store of value. Ethereum was intended as a platform to facilitate immutable, programmatic contracts and applications via its own currency. Over the time it has risen to become number 2 crypto in terms of market capitalization, currently sitting at the market cap of $326 billion. Ethereum works on proof-of-work mechanism and follows an account-based model contrary to Bitcoin's UTXO model. We will learn more about these concepts in our future video. It's the most widely used platform for non-fungible tokens, decentralized finance, and other use cases, but over the time the network has faced many challenges such as volatile transaction fees, congestion on the network, and expensive node operating costs. Ethereum developers are working on releasing Ethereum 2.0 to solve these issues, which will use proof-of-stake mechanism. Many other blockchain networks have emerged to tackle these problems such as Solana, Polkadot, Cardano, etc. These are known as third-generation blockchain. They are also known as Ethereum killers by the crypto community. Let's start with Solana. It is designed to support up to 50,000 transactions per second, which is significantly higher than Ethereum 1.0's 30 TPS. Solana does so by using a unique blockchain consensus algorithm that combines proof-of-stake and proof-of-history algorithms, which is faster than Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it turns out it's very centralized. The team sacrificed a lot to be able to advertise the 50,000 transactions throughput. For one, there are significant hardware requirements to be a Solana validator. Validators form the backbone of a cryptocurrency, and the easier it is to be a validator, the more decentralized it is. The more validators a cryptocurrency has, the more secure it is. With Solana, it's not that easy to be a validator because of hefty hardware requirements. In addition, unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum where you need to control more than half the network to control the whole network, in Solana, you only need to control more than 1/3 of the network to control the whole network. That's the reason Solana have suffered multiple outages in the past few months where the network was down for over 24 hours. Let's get to Polkadot now. Polkadot is a somewhat different take on Ethereum 2.0, but it was created specifically for it from the ground up. There's a main chain named Relay Chain for Polkadot and Beacon Chain for Ethereum, and sharded side chains called parachains for Polkadot and merely shards for Ethereum that are connected to the main chain in both blockchains. Polkadot is designed from the ground up to handle large transaction volumes. The Relay Chain can already handle 1,000 transactions per second. With parachains, the system's max TPS could reach 1 million. To support the development of projects in the ecosystem, Polkadot have parachain auctions. During a parachain auction, DOT or Kusama holders can bond their cryptocurrency to support the project that they believe should receive a parachain slot. In return, the project may commit to airdrop tokens to their supporters, but again in terms of decentralization it comes with a cost. To be a validator for Polkadot, you need a high upfront cost and it requires expensive hardware. They're not quite as heavy as Solana's, but they're still substantial. Let's talk about Cardano now. Cardano is founded by Charles Hoskinson with his company IOHK, which took a research-driven development approach leveraging common academic practices with a particular focus on peer-reviewed papers. The team has published 128 papers so far, with many of which being peer-reviewed. Hoskinson's vision was to solve three major problems: interoperability, scalability, and sustainability. Most of the blockchain's core features such as the Cardano's extended UTXO model and Ouroboros proof-of-stake consensus algorithm have been published as peer-reviewed papers. And according to CryptoSlate, Ouroboros' paper was the second most cited paper in Google Scholar's cryptocurrencies and blockchain category. In layman terms, by delegating Cardano's cryptocurrency ADA to a stake pool, investors increase that pool's chances of producing blocks. When blocks are produced, the pools earn rewards that are then paid out to all the pool contributors, thus securing the network. There are about over 3,000 stake pools at the moment, which makes Cardano the most decentralized proof-of-stake blockchain, and the hardware requirements are not a barrier at all compared to other networks we discussed to operate a stake pool. Cardano is handling 240 transactions per second, although the team have released a long roadmap of scaling the network through a lot of ways. The most anticipated update in the roadmap is Hydra, which is a Layer 2 solution on top of Cardano. Each stake pool can create a new Hydra's head. Each Hydra head can process 1,000 transactions per second, so adding more pools improves scalability. Thus, with 1,000 pools, Cardano could possibly scale up to 1 million transactions per second. To support the development of projects, Cardano have a decentralized autonomous organization called Project Catalyst. Project Catalyst is a series of experiments which seeks to generate the highest levels of community innovation. Catalyst is bringing on-chain governance to the Cardano blockchain by allowing the community to self-determine priorities for growth. It also lets participants deploy funding to proposals which tackle challenges and capitalize on opportunities that arise in the life cycle of Cardano. This is about it. We will learn about more concepts in Cardano in general in our upcoming videos. If this information was useful for you, consider liking our video and subscribing our channel. Thank you.